Have you ever wondered what it feels like to stand in the middle of one of the busiest intersections in the world? Welcome to Shibuya Crossing, the dazzling heart of Tokyo, where thousands of people cross the streets at the same time, creating a perfectly organized wave of movement. That has become a symbol of modern Japan. As the sun sets and the city lights begin to glow, Shibuya transforms into something truly extraordinary. Giant LED screens illuminate the skyline. Colorful advertisements flash from every direction, and the energy of the city becomes almost electric. Every time the traffic lights turn red, vehicles come to a stop, and pedestrians take over. Within seconds, streams of people pour into the intersection from all sides. Office workers heading home, students meeting friends, tourists capturing memories, and locals going about their evening routines all merge into a fascinating dance of urban life. What makes Shibuya Crossing so remarkable is not just the number of people crossing, but the incredible order within the apparent chaos. Thousands move simultaneously, yet collisions are surprisingly rare. It is a reflection of the efficiency and respect that characterize everyday life in Japan. At night, the crossing reaches its most spectacular form. The bright neon signs and massive digital billboards create a futuristic atmosphere that feels like stepping into a science fiction movie. The surrounding buildings become a canvas of light, color, and motion, making every corner of the district visually exciting. Shibuya Crossing is more than just a transportation hub. It represents Tokyo's vibrant culture, innovation, and global influence. Over the years, it has appeared in countless movies, television shows, documentaries, and travel programs, becoming one of the most recognizable urban landmarks on the planet. The surrounding neighborhood adds even more life to the experience. Restaurants, cafes, fashion boutiques, entertainment venues, and shopping centers line the streets around the crossing. No matter what time you arrive, there is always something happening. As midnight approaches, the atmosphere begins to change. While the crowds remain lively, the pace becomes slightly more relaxed. The city continues to shine, but with a different rhythm, revealing another side of Tokyo's nightlife. Whether you're visiting Tokyo for the first time or returning once again, Shibuya Crossing at night is an experience that leaves a lasting impression. It is a place where technology, culture, and human connection come together in a way that feels uniquely Japanese. Thank you for joining Adjet TV on this nighttime journey through one of the world's most iconic intersections. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel adventures, city explorations, and unique experiences from Japan and beyond. Until next time, this is Adjet TV, bringing the world closer, one destination at a time.
Gracias.